Hey guys, to factory reset your iPhone. It's really, really easy. This is an iPhone 16 Pro, by the way, but 16 Pro Max is gonna be the exact same thing. Just go on into your iPhone, and then from down here below, you guys will see settings. So in your settings on the top, you guys will see search. Just type in reset, but sometimes, for some reason, it doesn't always find the factory reset. So in that case, we're just gonna go into general. Under general, scroll all the way down, and you guys are gonna see this, transfer or reset iPhone. Then go there, and then your last option will actually say erase all content in settings. That's what you guys want, because it's gonna delete everything. So if you guys wanna delete the Apple ID from this phone, plus all the pictures, all videos, all personal information from this video, and make it like it was when it was brand new, out of the box, this is the video for you. So we're gonna continue on. Continue, erase iPhone, put in your passcode if you have one. And once you do that, you guys will gonna see the Apple logo. So at this point in time, just leave your iPhone to be. It's actually pretty quick for this to do its thing. And you just have to wait for it. It's just gonna go ahead, erase everything from within the phone. Now, is it gonna delete content that's online? Let's say your pictures that are online or any data that's online. No, it's only gonna delete data from within the iPhone itself. So the iPhone itself it's not gonna have your pictures, videos, personal data, your Apple ID. But if you guys have stuff online on your own personal Apple ID, it's still gonna be there. You're not deleting anything that's online. You're just deleting anything that's within the iPhone itself. So if you guys want to return this, sell it, or anything like that, this is what you would do. And yes, you guys could set up the iPhone again to sell it without importing any personal information, which does include your Apple ID. So you guys could set it up without an Apple ID and all that stuff for people to try it out and all that stuff. If you guys are returning this, just turn it off after you guys are done with the factory reset. How do you guys know when you're done with the factory reset? Well, we're gonna see the welcome screen again, and that's it. So right now, this is what you're supposed to see, the welcome screen. That's it. You guys could set it up again. So just scroll up, set up the language and all that stuff with the same Apple ID, different Apple ID. It depends what you guys want to do. Or shut it down if you're just returning it. Or even if you're selling it, you could just turn it off right now so the new person can just set it up themselves. So right now, what do we have to do? To force shut this down, to fully shut it down, press your power key, which is here, volume key. Press both at the same time until you see this. See this up here? Slide, and it's fully turned off. So that's how you guys can fully turn off your phone. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.